Welcome to Harry L. Marks, founded in 1898, supplying high-quality monuments, combining the old traditional values of yesterday with the caring service and modern technology of today. The slab that we use is sourced from quarries around the world, and we cut, shape and polish it in-house. The material we keep in our yard is of the highest quality, including stone, marble, slate and granite, in all textures and colours. We have more than 50 memorials displayed in our show area, or you can discuss your particular needs with our team of expert craftsmen who welcome the chance to carry out bespoke commissions. They can create designs from your own drawings to provide a unique tribute to your loved one. We can also remove and store existing memorials, carve additional inscriptions, renovate and repair them. All our work is carried out to National Association of Monumental Masons standards. When someone you love becomes a memory, keep that memory as a treasure with a memorial by Harry L. Marks. Call us now for more information.